Good morning everyone. Today we discuss about neural tissue. Neurons are originate from ectoderm. It is first integrating system because it control and the coordination of the body organs or body functions. It shows response to the external or internal environmental changes. External or internal environmental changes. It consists of neural tissue consists of neurons and neuroglia. Neurons and neuroglia. Neuroglia occupies more than one half the volume of neural tissue. Neurons are structural and functional units of the nervous tissue. Neurons are the structural and functional units of the neural tissue. Neurons conduct impulse, transmit impulse and generate impulse. These impulses are transport through the plasma membrane of the neuron. Neuron consists of three parts: cyton, dendrites, axon. Cyton, dendrites, axon. Cyton are cell body, soma or perikaryon. Cyton, other names of cyton: cell body, soma or perikaryon. It consists of spherical nucleus. Cytoplasm has visual granules, and neurofibrils, lipofuscin granules. Cytoplasm consists of visual granules, neurofibrils and lipofuscin granules. Visual granules, these are represent as rough endoplasmic reticulum. These are involved in the synthesis of protein. Neurofibrils, these are involved in the transport of substance. Example, proteins. These are involved in the transportation. Next, lipofuscin granules. These are age-related granules. When age is increased, lipofuscin granules also increases. These are secreted by cells. Lipofuscin granules accumulate in the lysosomes. Next, dendrites. Dendrites are small branch-like structures. Dendrites contain visual granules and neurofibrils. These conduct impulse. Dendrites conduct impulse and it transport impulse to the cytons. So, dendrites are called afferent process. Because these dendrites transport the impulse to the cyton, cell body. Next, axon. Axon is a single long process. Single long process. Axon originate from the axon hillock. Axon originate from the axon hillock. Axon is covered by plasma membrane called axolemma. Axon is covered by the plasma membrane is called axolemma. Axolemma. Axon contains cytoplasm. This cytoplasm is called axoplasm. Axoplasm. Axons are covered by Schwann cells. Schwann cells produce myelin sheets. In between the myelin sheets, in between the Schwann cells, the gap is present. This gap is called nodes of Ranvier. Two nodes of Ranvier. The space between the two nodes of Ranvier is called internode. The space between the two nodes of Ranvier is called internode. Axoplasm contains neurofibrils, but Nissel's granules are absent in axoplasm. But it contains neurofibrils. Axon transports impulse to the other dendrites or neuromuscular junction. Neuromuscular junction or other dendrites. So, axon is called efferent process. Because it sends impulse. Dendrites are efferent process because it collects impulse. The terminal part of the axon is divided into many branches. These branches are called axon terminals. Axon terminal consists of knob-like structure called synaptic knob. These synaptic knobs, this is synaptic knob. This synaptic knob contains vesicles. These vesicles stores the neurotransmitters. Next, the gap between the axon terminals and muscle is called neuromuscular junction. This is muscle. The gap between the synaptic knobs and the muscle is called neuromuscular junction. This is a synapsis. Communication junction. Nerve and muscle communication junction is called neuromuscular junction. Sometimes axon gives some branches. These branches are called collateral branches. These are the axon structures. Nucleus, ganglion, tract, nerves. Nucleus, a group of cytons present in the central nervous system. Group of cytons present in the central nervous system is called nucleus. Group of cytons present in the peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system is called ganglia. Group of cytons present in the central nervous system is called nucleus. Group of cytons present in the peripheral nervous system is called ganglia. Group of axons present in the central nervous system. Group of axons present in the central nervous system is called tract. Group of axons present in the peripheral nervous system is called nerves. Important. Group of axons present in the central nervous system is called tract. A group of axons present in the peripheral nervous system is called nerves. Next, types of neurons. Types of neurons. Based on the number of dendrites and number of axons. Based on the number of dendrites and axons, neurons are three types: unipolar neuron, bipolar neuron, and multipolar neuron. Multipolar neuron. Unipolar neuron. Unipolar neuron, uni means single, polar process. Cyton, soma, cell body produce only single axon. Cell body produce single axon is called unipolar neurons. These are present in embryonic stage. Embryonic stage. Unipolar neurons present in the embryonic stage. Pseudo-unipolar. Pseudo-unipolar. Pseudo-unipolar means cyton. This is cyton. Cyton gives one axon. This axon divides to form two processes. One process acts as dendrite. Another process acts as axon. It receives impulse and it transports impulse. So these are called unipolar neurons. These unipolar neurons present in the this is dorsal root ganglia. This is dorsal root ganglia of spinal cord. The pseudo-unipolar soma, cyton, pseudo-unipolar cell body present in the dorsal root ganglia. This processor this is pseudo-unipolar neuron. Pseudo-unipolar neuron presents in the dorsal root ganglia of the spinal cord. Next, bipolar neurons. Bipolar, two polars. Soma produce two processes, one dendrite and one axon. One dendrite and one axon. So these are called bipolar neurons. These are present in the retina of eye. These are present in the bipolar neurons present in the retina of eye. Next, multipolar neuron. This is multipolar neuron. Multipolar neuron contains many dendrites and single axon. Many dendrite and single axon. These are called multipolar neurons. Most of the body contains multipolar neurons. Most of the body contains multipolar neurons. These are present in the cerebral cortex. Cerebral cortex. Mostly present in the cerebral cortex. Next, based on the presence or absence of myelin sheath. Nerves are two types or axons are two types. Myelinated axons, unmyelinated axons, or myelinated neurons and unmyelinated neurons. Myelinated neurons. In peripheral nervous system, myelin sheath is formed by Schwann cells. Single Schwann cells. This is axon. Schwann cells wraps around the axon. The outer layer of the Schwann cell contain cytoplasm and a nucleus. The outer layer of the Schwann cell plasma lemma is called neurilemma. Schwann cell layers contain myelin. Myelin is a lipid containing substance, so it is white colored. Some unmyelinated neurons contains Schwann cell, but these Schwann cells does not produce myelin. In central nervous system, oligodendrocyte cells produce myelin. One oligodendrocyte cell, this is oligodendrocyte cell. One oligodendrocyte cell myelinate many axons. This is one Schwann cell, one oligodendrocyte cell. One oligodendrocyte cell myelinate many axons. These are the axons. In myelinated axon, one axon is surrounded by many Schwann cells. But in central nervous system, many axons are myelinated by single oligodendrocyte cell. Examples of myelinated axon. Myelinated axon present in the cranial nerves and the spinal nerves. Unmyelinated axons present in the autonomous nervous system and the somatic nervous system. Based on the functions, neurons are three types. Sensory neuron, motor neuron, and interneuron. Sensory neuron, motor neuron and interneuron. Based on the functions, neurons are three types: sensory, motor and interneurons. See central nervous system. Receptors, effectors, sensory neurons sends sensory impulse to the central nervous system. These are called sensory neurons or efferent neurons. Sensory neurons receives impulse from receptors to central nervous system. Motor neurons sends motor impulse to effectors. These are called efferent neurons, efferent neurons, efferent neurons, interneurons. These are present in the central nervous system. These are present in the central nervous system. These are interneurons. Interneurons present in the central nervous system. These connects sensory neuron and motor neuron. Sensory neuron and motor neuron. Next, nerves. Nerve. Each nerve contain nerve fibers. Each nerve contain, this is nerve fiber. Nerve fiber. Nerve fiber. Nerve fiber is surrounded by dense connective tissue sheath called endoneurium. Endoneurium. Bundles of these nerve fibers, group of these nerve fibers forms bundle. The bundle of nerve fibers is called fascicle. Group of nerve fibers is called fascicle. Fascicle is surrounded by a connective tissue sheath called perineurium. Perineurium. Group of fascicles. This is fascicle, this is fascicle, this is fascicle. Group of fascicles form a nerve. Group of fascicles form a nerve. Nerve is covered by a connective tissue sheath is called epineurium. Epineurium. Nerve contains many nerve fibers. Each nerve fiber is surrounded by connective tissue sheath called endoneurium. Group of nerve fibers forms fascicle. Each fascicle is surrounded by perineurium. Group of fascicles forms nerve. Nerve is covered by epineurium. Epineurium.